Welcome back to Las Vegas Now. Health Plan of Nevada and Count the Kicks organization have teamed up to ensure expecting mothers are taken care of and have the resources for their one-of-a-kind experience. I spoke to them to learn more. Katie Neese of Health Plan of Nevada, Emily Price of Count the Kicks, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rocky.
We are talking about maternal health and how important that is. Katie, I'll start with you.
According to America Health Rankings compiled by United Health Foundation, Nevada ranks below the national average for adequate prenatal care. We at Health Plan of Nevada recognize that each and every pregnancy is a one-of-a-kind experience. We are here with Count the Kicks today to talk about maternal health and the resources that are available for expectant mothers. And I'm going to turn it over to Emily, and she can talk a little bit about Count the Kicks and how it can help pregnant moms.
We're thrilled to partner with Health Plan of Nevada. Thank you so much for having us today, Rocky. We are a stillbirth prevention campaign that talks to expectant parents and empowers expectant mamas to get to know their baby's movements in the third trimester, pay attention to what's normal for their baby, and speak up if they notice a change in their baby's movements. And the reason why that's important is because every baby is different, and your baby's movements are an indication if they're doing well in the third trimester of pregnancy. So getting to know what's a normal amount of movement for your baby and also the strength of your baby's movements in the third trimester are so important. And we also, along with the Health Plan of Nevada, encourage you to speak up if you notice a change in what's normal for your baby. And we even have a free app. It's called Count the Kicks. It's available in your app store.
Awesome. And speaking of apps, what kind of programs are available for new moms or pregnant moms?
Having a baby can be an exciting time, but it's also important to have support. So it's important for new moms to have a doctor and nurses. We at Health Plan of Nevada have a pregnancy case management program that is compiled of a team of nurses that work one-on-one with pregnant mothers through each stage of pregnancy and through each milestone. And also, I would encourage you to download Count the Kicks app if you haven't already, as this is a great new resource for expectant mothers.
Emily, what's the call to action? How can we help you?
Thank you so much. I would say tell every expectant parent that you know about the importance of paying attention to your baby's movements in the third trimester and to speak up if you notice a change. A baby's movements are like a vital sign. When you and I aren't feeling well, we want to lay on the couch. We want to lay in bed. It's the same thing for babies. If they're not doing well in the third trimester, their movements are going to change. And that's why it's so important for every Nevada expectant parent to get to know what's normal for their baby and to speak up. Tell their provider, go to the hospital if you need to. Hospitals are open 24/7, and let them know that something has changed. So download the free app, talk to your provider about it. It's an empowering campaign, a great way to bond with baby, and we're so excited to be in Nevada.
It's a great program. To learn more about programs for expectant moms, visit healthplanofnevada.com and countingthekicks.org, or just call the OB hotline at 844-851-7830.